Hello guys, today we prepare another Italian traditional dish. Is stuffed pumpkin flower in butter. So for this recipe we will use 20 pumpkin flower. For the butter you need 75 gram of flour, 150 gram or ml of beer. We prepare the butter, we put apart, and we need to clean our flowers. Be careful because they are very soft. So you put one finger inside, very gently. Inside you need to broken the piece that is inside. After I show you, when you are more near, I will move the camera. And inside you will find this one, that in English I don't know the name, this yellow piece. You should remove it. After, you put a piece of mozzarella cheese, a piece of scamorza cheese, the smoked one, a piece of ham. Stuff the flowers, you close, turn a little bit the top of the flower because they are a little bit sticky. You put inside the butter, and after you need to deep fry. See you at the end for the tasting. Spectacular. They are still warm, outside crunchy, inside soft, with the mozzarella cheese and the scamorza cheese very melty. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos, to share the video with your friends, to subscribe to Instagram, and for any things down in the comments. Bye bye. Spectacular.